Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create an Elementor template to sell. Start by installing WordPress and Elementor, then pick a lightweight theme and back up your site. Next, set your site layout, global fonts, and colors so templates look cohesive. Focus on responsive design, create reusable sections, and save templates in the Elementor library. Finally, export and package your template with clear instructions and licensing details for buyers. Design with buyers in mind by creating a clear hierarchy and focused hero section that sells the template benefits. Use global widgets for headers, footers, and CTAs so updates apply everywhere. Build modular sections that customers can mix and match, and add editable text areas and image placeholders. Test responsiveness across devices and clean up unused CSS and assets to keep the template fast and easy to customize for your buyers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to tidy up while you build templates. It's perfect for keeping your workspace demo site spotless. Check the description for the link and any deals, and now let's get back to the video. Package your Elementor template professionally by including JSON export files, a demo site import, and step-by-step setup instructions. Add a simple license file and outline support options for buyers, offering a basic and premium tier if desired. Prepare preview images, live demos, and a concise feature list for your sales page. Finally, test the import process on a fresh WordPress install so buyers enjoy a frictionless setup experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.